Hey, third graders, I'm back. You can't get rid of me. I'm always coming around. These videos are forever. Okay, today we are going to do some mental math, which you know is one of my very favorite things to do. And we're going to kind of write down our mental math strategies. So I gave us a story this time. So let's check out the story. Are you ready? It's about a sunflower. A sunflower can grow to be very tall. Dylan is 39 inches tall. Okay, so Dylan's 39 inches tall, and we just know that sunflowers are very tall. Sounds good. She watered a sunflower to be 62 inches tall. Okay, now we know how tall the sunflower is, right? Okay, so the question is, how many inches shorter was Dylan than the sunflower? Okay, let's stop to imagine that. Okay, so like, here's the sunflower, and here's Dylan, right? We are trying to find the difference between Dylan and the sunflower, right? So I drew it like that because I was imagining a really tall sunflower in my mind and then Dylan's height. But you know what? For my strategies, I think I'm actually going to draw a number line because I know a lot of you do that. And I know a lot of you guys kind of hop in tens or find friendly numbers on a number line. So let's check out that strategy first. I'm trying to remember you as second graders and then build up to third, right? Okay, so let's check it out. I'm gonna split my area, my work area, because I know that you guys have different strategies. So I'm gonna save room. All right, so let's see. We know for sure the sunflower is 62 inches tall. And Dylan is 39 inches tall. Okay, so maybe some of you guys are like, ooh, I could use a number line. And I could add up. So maybe if you're imagining that, here's Dylan again, and here's the sunflower. Maybe you're going to add up from Dylan's height all the way up to the sunflower, right? Or maybe you're going to try something different. But let's look at this first. Here's Dylan. Dylan's 39 inches tall. Here's the sunflower. It's 62 inches tall. We're trying to find the difference in height. Okay, so I know most of you are yelling at me right now in your minds. Don't yell out loud though, because what if you wake up your dog or your teacher? I hope your teacher's not sleeping. Just kidding. Okay, 39 plus 1 would make a friendly number. I know that, and I know you know that, so I'm going with it. Okay, so you've gotten to 40. Make sure you write your number there at the bottom on your number line. It's very important. Okay, so then after you get to 40, my guess is some of you will jump another 10. So add another 10, and you get to 50. Yeah? I know, I'm following some of your brains. Okay, now after 50, maybe you jump to, I gotta move my 62 over, otherwise I'm not gonna have enough room for my jumps. Okay, so maybe you jump another 10. And you land at 60. We're almost there. We only have 2 more to go. And we're gonna just move that line right there. Didn't have enough room, just as I expected. Okay, so now I want you to tell me where the answer is. Are you yelling? Don't yell. Don't wake my dogs up. Okay. The answer is in the hops. All right, so here is our answer. 10 plus 10 is 20, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So our answer is 23. Okay, wait. Hold up. I know that some of you like to jump. Not with a 1 first, but with a 10 first. So let's check that out. What would that look like? So another number line adding up. I think I'll just go right here. Can you see that? Yep. Okay. Maybe I'll just start at 39 and go to 62 because we can actually add up to solve a subtraction problem because we're trying to find the difference between the two heights. So technically, this is subtraction. It's crazy stuff. Okay, so set up my number line same way, but maybe some of you are like, ooh, I'm gonna hop in 10 first. So we get 49. And then hop in another 10, and you get 59. And then you have 3 left to hop. 59 plus 1 is 60, and then 2 more make 62. Whoa. Okay, so the answer is still in the hops. Still a difference of 23, just like that one, except for our 1 and our 2 was split up into, or actually our 3 was split up into a 1 and a 2 that time, right? Okay, now what if some of you are like, I want to try practicing subtracting on a number line. So I think we should try. You've done it in 2nd grade. We can do it in 3rd grade, I think. Okay, so here we go. If we're going to subtract on the number line, I want to actually get it on the line. Here we go. Neatness counts, people. Let's go right here. 62 inches. And we're going to try to hop back to 39 to find the difference. Okay, so do you want to take off like hops of 10? I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we? Should we? Tell me. Okay, well, I can't hear you, so I'm going to just do it anyway. 62. So, we're subtracting. I'm starting on this side of the number line because I'm hopping back. I'm even going to put a little arrow. I'm going to show that I went that way. And minus 10. So I'm at 52 now. Okay. Are we at 39 yet? Okay, here we go. 52 minus 10 is 42. Okay, are we almost there? Are we there yet? It's like being on a long car ride, which I know some of us went camping this summer, right? And we had to drive and drive and drive because we're not really flying anywhere right now, right? Are we there yet? No. Okay, 42 minus 39. 42, 41, 40, 39. I had to take off 3 more. And hey, do you see something familiar? What is in the hops? We took off 10, 10, and another 3, which was a total of 23. So that was 23, and that was 23, and that was 23. Didn't matter how we thought about it. It's all the same. So how did you do it? Can you tell me in the comments? I'd love to hear. All right, hold on. Wait up. Got more ideas here. Look at me and my teacher tricks. I wrote it on a thing so I could just toss it on down and be ready for more. Okay, so let's say we don't have a story to go with our problem, and we just have something like this. All right, now, you want to pick out a strategy that's good with your numbers. So let's ask ourselves, is this the best strategy for subtracting? We haven't even learned that yet. We shouldn't even know it yet, but maybe we do. But it's still not the best one. Probably. Okay, let's keep thinking. Do you think maybe using a friendly number could be a good one? Okay, so I'm gonna guess that some of you are thinking about this. It's related to 36 minus 10. What's 36 minus 10? 26. But actually, let's even do that on a number line. 36 minus 10 is 26, right? But we actually only had to take off 9. So I really only needed to take off that much. So that means there's a distance of 1 from here to here. So my answer is actually going to be 27. So 36 minus 9 is 27. Okay. Got another one coming for you. It's going to be bigger. Are you ready? Can you hang in there? I hope we don't need like a stretch. Do you need a stretch break? No, don't even. We're almost done. Okay, here we go. Okay. Stacking. Should we stack and subtract? Is that the easiest one? I'm considering my numbers. I have 423 minus 99. Now, a lot of adults will tell you stacking is the most efficient way to solve. But in this case, I would disagree. Do you disagree? I'd say take off 100 first. Because that's really close, right? So 423 minus 100, we already know is 323. Let's look on a number line. 423 minus 100 is 323. But we actually only had to take off 99. Ooh. Minus 99. So we have to add 1 back to our answer. So 324, which I remember a lot of you guys did use these kinds of strategies last year, right? 324 would be our final answer. But because we had a 99, we just used a friendly to help ourselves out, right? So the moral of the lesson today is always consider your numbers. Which strategy will you pick out given your set of numbers? All right, see you next time. Bye.